crossing the bridge. ITB. Ayan o, ITB. Punta tayo sa BBC. I will apply in BBC. We're going across this bridge. Nindot pa rin bridge ay. Awa ako na ay bridge po dito sa unahan. Ano po yung bridge eh? Cyclist. Nindot ta po dire. Oh, nindot tanig mag-init. Oy, salan. Okay. Ayan guys, oh, ang view. Maganda sana pag mainit. Aray mo apply ako direct ko ano. Tigpa katawa. I will apply in BBC. Coronation Street. Ay. What is that one there? Boat that one. That one. Is it a ship? Oh yeah, ship that one. Ayan guys, ikot-ikot ta dito. Ayan. Ang ating itsura ngayon. Ayan guys. Hello guys. Miguel shout out everyone. Atong nawong guys. Bridge dito sa unahan. BBC building na to. Ito na guys. Ay, mga itoy. Mga cute na mga itoy. Ay, mga iro. Ay, Podsi here. Podsi building. Ayan guys. Mga building ito dire. Meron diyan. Meron lagi sa kuan lagi de. Opsi DC. What happened to Opsi DC? Oh, Opsi DC. Opsi DC is here. Opsi DC. Opsi DC. I'll take a picture of Opsi DC. Opsi DC. Ay, ang cute naman ni Opsi DC. Ay, ayan guys. Opsi DC. Ay, picture ni Opsi DC. Opsi DC. Kalaki. Where are they now? Oh, malamig. Aray, malamig. Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Ay, makulimlim. Ay, panahon. Ang lamig naman ito. Nilalamig ako. Ayan guys. See you in a bit guys. So much. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bea Pick and Mix Vlog. Ayan, tapos na natin pamamasyal kasi malamig. Tapusin nyo itong video ko. Huwag lang pahabain ba. Kasi hirap mag-edit. Ay, Manchester pala dito. Ay, sa Bumblebee. Bumblebee. Ano siya? Bumbo langaw. Langaw pala yun. Langaw yata yan. Ay. Box on the ducks. Box on the ducks. Hot spot. Blue Peter. Sa Blue Peter. Gold Badge Walk. Ayan, Blue Peter. Nandito si Gold Peter. Nandito si Peter Pande. Aray. Oh, isi. Wine Rone. Isi, Walk for Fame. A footballer. Footballer. All footballer on the floor. Elton John. Elton John is here. Elton John. What the heck?
I feel so excited with that.
Mary Berry. Mary Berry is there.
That's the garden, they kill the fish.
Hala. Crowell. Oh, there's a dog here, look. Huh?
It was a border collie that was always on the show.
Oh, this dog. Oh, yeah, that dog. Ayan, guys, ang Blue Peter. Weh, take a picture with me, Blue Peter. Merong bulaklak dito. Oh, ang ganda. Ayan. Peony day, guys. Ang ganda. Ayan, oh. Oh, ang ganda naman itong bulaklak na to, eh. Mabuhi ka na dito sa tuwa. Kanindot man yung peony. I love peony. Lucky flower to sa Chinese. Lucky flower. Ayan, guys. Walk of Fame. Mga ano dito sila, mga sa Manchester, mga famous people nito sila. Who is he? Anthony Hall. Don't know who's the other one. Guys, see you next time. See you in a bit, guys. University of Salford, Manchester. Ayan, guys, we are in Manchester. Salford, Manchester University. Malaki pala tong university. Oh, yan, ito ko sa taas. Oh, laki. Malaki yung ano, building. Malaki tong university dito. Salford University. Find your future. Oh, yes.